Hello and welcome to another episode of The Moving Diaries. I am your host, Fernanda Ramirez. If you don't know who I am, hello, welcome to my channel. I am so glad to have you here. Today I'm coming at you at around 4 p.m. in my living room. It's, looking a little funky. Don't look too in depth because we still got a long way to go in this moving process, but I've got my coffee here. Today is a very exciting video because we are doing the bathroom. I'm on this mission of making my house the cutest it could possibly be and very much an expression of myself, and it's getting its own video. I have already a crazy amount of products and a crazy amount of accessories and decor that I want to add into these two bathrooms, and one of them is for me and one of them is for my guests, and I'm gonna make sure that my guest feels like this is the best they've ever been hosted and they want to return every time. It's gonna feel like a hotel. Tell me if you noticed something different. Oh my god. They almost fell out. I'm currently wearing colored contacts because I ran out of my contacts and the only contacts I had left were prescription colored contacts. So that's what I'll be wearing as of right now, but honestly, kind of into them. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of boxes behind me, and this is all the stuff that I'm gonna be using for the bathroom. So in this box, I have accessories and cute stuff. And in these two boxes, I have a frick ton of products. Now, I have an absurd amount of products because I do receive a lot of PR, which if you don't know what PR means, it's like brands choose to send influencers their new products in hopes that the influencer promotes them or shows them in a video or shows them in an Instagram story, and they end up getting kind of like a promotional benefit of it. It's a pretty good marketing technique here, but because a bunch of brands do this, I end up with hundreds of products, and although I give them a lot of way to my friends and family, also you can donate them or whatever, I do still have a lot of products that are like my top favorites. Ever since I was younger, I had always wanted one of those bathrooms where, you'd open up the mirrors and you'd see like a bunch of products and it just looked like insane. Well, now I'm in a position where I can actually make that happen, and I feel like if I was just living by myself and I wasn't gonna have guests over, I don't need to do the whole thing, I don't need to be that extra, but because I'm having guests over all the time, my friends are always coming over, my family's coming over, I was like, why not treat that guest bathroom full of my stuff, and whenever anyone comes in, they can just borrow it or take whatever they want and feel really welcome. So that's why I brought so many products. I'll get to show you guys all the products that I'm gonna be putting in my bathroom. But before we go into decorating, let me show you what the bathrooms look like. Bathroom number 1 for the guests. It's got this wonderful marble background floor everywhere, and look at this mirror. This is exactly what I'm saying, that this was always a dream of mine to have. So fun, you can stack a whole bunch of products in there. As for the sink, it's got this little square right here, and I like that there's this little space here so you can put stuff on top. Then we've got the toilet and a little toilet cleaner. I did just buy that from IKEA. And then I have a wonderful bathtub. There's also this rooftop shower, which is super great. It feels like a waterfall on top, and you can control it with this side, which is great because you don't actually have to get wet while you're adjusting it. One thing I will say about this though is that this glass definitely does not cover as much as it should because I always get water on the floor, so I definitely need a bath mat. And then I just have this right here to hang up a towel. We love the guest bathroom, but now let me show you my personal bathroom. It's an ensuite, so it's connected to my bedroom. Very cute. Very similar to the last one that we just saw. Don't mind the mess behind me. The only difference we've got here is that this one has a shower instead. I do have a little cleaning thing there for the shower, don't mind that. But this is what the shower looks like. I love that the top has a little waterfall, and I love this shelf as well. It has a little nightlight when you turn all the lights off, so it's super convenient. And it also has this right here, which lets you dim the light. I'm gonna give you a little haul of some of the stuff that I've bought just so that I can get that out of the way and you guys can see what I'm gonna put in the bathrooms. From Amazon, I just ordered these 2 garbage bags. I decided that one of my bathrooms, I think my bedroom one, is gonna have a pink theme, and the other bathroom is gonna have a more clear, white, funky towel themed. That doesn't really make sense, but I'll show you what I mean. I did buy these 2 that match. They're super cute. This is like a little soap dispenser, and I just feel like it's a really weird, cool shape. I don't know, I really like it. And then I have this little thing. It's for toothbrushes. It's kind of a weird shape, but I really like it. It's so different. I don't know, I think it's funny. This is the towel set that I bought from Amazon. I don't think it was that expensive, and it came with a whole bunch of face towels and body towels. The only thing I will say is that they are a little bit thin, but it'll work for the aesthetic. Now also, I do want to say I do have an Amazon storefront, so you guys can shop it in the links down below, and I'll also have links to everything in the description box, so that's super exciting. Moving on to the theme of the guest bathroom, I got this little clear moment. It's got a silver thing on top, and I actually have hand soap that's purple, so I think it'll look pretty cool in here. I'm not sure if it came in a set or I bought them all separately, obviously, but I also got this one, and then it also came with a little soap bar. I'll probably just have this in the shower, and then this little cup so you can drink some water. And for the towels, this is from a small business. Look at how fun. This is like exactly my aesthetic, and I love light purple, so oh my god, I'm so happy. This towel is also super thick, so I think this is gonna be great in the guest bathroom, and it's so fun to have two different themed bathrooms. Like, I don't know, I really like it. They also sent me two little hand towels, which is really fun. They've just got their little logo on the side here. The small business is called Un Art de Vivre. I think it's in French, so it's really hard to say, but I'll have it up on the screen in the description box below. They have super cute stuff. I highly recommend checking them out. Okay, so those are some big things that I recently got. Let me show you some more stuff that I have. This bamboo bath caddy. This is, again, for the bath, so this will definitely be going in the guest bathroom. Super cute. I love. She just extends like this, and then you just have it on there. I definitely think I'm gonna place like a little candle on there, something cute for my guests. I bought a whole bunch of these containers from Daiso. I believe that's how you say it. It's like an Asian little store. They have really inexpensive things, and I just thought that these would be useful, maybe to have two in the guest bathroom and two in my bathroom. Hair ties, hair accessories, makeup, whatever the case may be. I have two bath mats. I've never been so obsessed. This first one is from Etsy. I just found it on there while I was surfing the web. I'll definitely have it linked down below as well. But it's so cute. It says hello lovely. This one was actually for my boyfriend. He bought it for me as a home, I don't know what it's called, home gift. I don't know. For, you know, when you move into a house and they buy you a gift, welcome gift, I don't know. He bought it for me at this little market that we went to, but it is just white and it's got a little cream heart. Let's organize this. In this guest bathroom right now. This might change. This is just like the first round of, you know, what I think should go where. So to start off right here, I have my soap dispenser. I didn't even realize it would match perfectly with my towels. On this side, I put the little hand towel since there's no like place to put them actually. I added this little heart tray. I don't remember where I got this from, but it just says kiss me, and I think this is kind of cute to put jewelry. And then I got this candle. This is kind of crazy. I don't actually remember where I got this from. I believe it's the same place as this store. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know if this should be this way or if it should be this way, because this way seems like it would make more sense, but this, you can actually read it. I have the checkered towel, and then I added this candle. It is from Meliora Candle Co. It is Kiss My Coconuts. It smells super good. Here, these are all the products that I'm going to add onto the mirror. And then as for here, in this top container, I have a whole bunch of travel products. Some of these are actually really good. They're just a lot smaller, so they don't really need to be on display or anything. And I just have a little hairbrush. If I go on a trip, I can probably use one of those. And then on the one under, I have a whole bunch of pain relieving and like more antibiotic type of things. Like I have eczema relief, I have my eczema ointment, I have this off bug spray, things that aren't that cute. Okay, that took a fat minute, but oh my god, I love the way it turned out. Let me show you what we've done. I'm aware that it looks crazy. I'm aware that it's not necessary. We might scale down as the weeks come by. This is just how it starts, I guess. I decided that this bathroom is not only gonna be used as like my guest bathroom with a bunch of guest products, but like it's gonna be the bathroom where I shower and the bathroom where I do my hair, just because the bathroom in my room is a little bit, not that it's smaller, but the door kind of gets in the way and it's kind of hard to do my hair in there. And so I'd rather just have that bathroom as like, you know, my regular bathroom, the bathroom where I have my everyday skincare and like where I brush my teeth and all that kind of stuff, but not necessarily my hair. So I definitely have a whole bunch of hair products that I use on the daily. Starting off with the bottom shelf, we've got a whole bunch of Kerastase products. I don't know how to say that. I always use this. It is a anti-frizz thermic serum, John Frieda anti-frizz. This is really good. I like both of these. I also like using these 3 products. I don't use this dazzling spray as often, but it is good. These ones are really good wave sprays for having natural hair. And then I have some deodorants that I love. This Gizu heat protectant that is really cute. On this second shelf, I have a whole bunch of skincare that I don't really use that is up for grabs, I guess, for my guests. I have the Fenty Skin line. This is so good. I'm actually obsessed with it, but it's not my everyday one, so I just left it here. I have some Laneige water sleeping mask. The Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm is really good. I have some other creams there. That Tula face mask is really good. Haven't used any of these. These Bare Mineral products are pretty good. Heard this Pond's cream is really good. And then I have a whole line here of Peach and Lily I've never used before. These Snail Mucin CosRX products are really good. And then I have some products here in the corner that I've never used. And then on the third shelf, I have a whole bunch of like hair masks and stuff. I have some perfumes. I've got some lotions. Down here, I'm so happy that this little basket that I brought from home actually fits in perfectly for all my hair tools and hairbrushes. I actually think it matches pretty well, so I'm probably just gonna leave that where it is. And then down here, I just have this, it's like a bonnet, I believe, from Bellamy for your hair extensions. I have some Q-tips and then another one of these, for toothbrushes, which I guess I'll have for guests if they ever come over to stay the night. And then some more toilet paper rolls. Okay, now let's go do the shelves in my personal bathroom. I'm gonna use only products that I use on the daily there. Okay, so to do a quick little recap of what's in here. Up top, I have mouthwash, I have a little lip balm with sunscreen in it, I have my tanning drops and the Glossier perfume. I also have my Olaplex extra shampoos and the hair oil that I usually use. And then these are just some cotton pads. Down below, I have some contact solution in my contacts. And then I have an extra razor and this face roller from Herbivore. Then I have some of my top used products. I use these 2 every day. They're the Ole Henriksen Vitamin C Serum and the Orange Essence. These ones I've just started using. It is by the brand Shani Darden and it's retinol. I also use this Slick Skin by Seichu every day for my gua sha. And then this is more retinol, skin brightening for dark spots on my face. And then this is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. I really like this. And then I have a few extra products here, like some face wipes, some cream, and eye cream. And then on the bottom shelf, I have my everyday face wash, my makeup remover, this Got To Be Glued Spiking Gel. I use this for my eyebrows. And my everyday products are here. So I have my spray deodorant by Dove. I have some face moisturizers. This is a new favorite of mine. It is the Ole Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer, and I also use the banana eye cream every day. I also love using both of these ordinary products every single day. I use the hyaluronic acid first though, so my skin doesn't dry out with the salicylic acid. I'll use this pimple treatment every once in a while, but honestly I don't really know if it works that well. And then I just have a little cup here with a bunch of random stuff, like some face razors and lip balm and just gua shas and all that kind of stuff. Also for my shower here, I just added this loofah. It wasn't expensive or anything. And then for my everyday products, I have this exfoliating body polish from Dove. For my hair products that I'm using more daily, I have these Kerastase shampoo and conditioner. I have this oat cleansing balm. This is really good to remove makeup. And I have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost hydrating cleansing gel. And I just have my razor here. Today I am on a mission to look for some eucalyptus. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I see all these photos on Pinterest with these like leaves hanging out of the shower. And basically these plants, eucalyptus, the steam of the shower like makes an aroma with it. It's very much a spa experience. It's a beautiful day today, so let's go. It It is the next day. I still haven't put up my eucalyptus in the shower, and I actually just came back from the gym. You know, I was like, why not take it a little step further and do a little self-care with you guys? I haven't had a chance to take a bath yet, and I really want to have one right now. So let's do a little self-care together. We'll do a little face mask moment. We'll use some new bath products. I also just ordered this. It is by the brand Recover, and it's a fizzy bath soak. It's eucalyptus and cedar wood. I've been working out so much this past week, and my bones just feel too tight. I feel like I just need a nice bath to relax, and it'll be fun to add in this video because why not have a little bit of self-care? I feel like I haven't done a self-care type of video in so long because I've just been overloaded with moving content. Okay, I literally love the way it looks. While the bath is running, we're gonna do a sheet mask. Normally I don't do sheet masks just because sheet masks look kind of ugly on my face, and I prefer to do the ones that are like, they almost kind of hurt. But this is the Garnier Skin Active Super Purifying Charcoal Sheet Mask. I don't have bubbles. Something about taking a bath with no like color in the water or bubbles and just being naked in water, it gives me kind of the ick. I don't think this is gonna do anything. It says it's a fizzy bath soap though, so I'm having a candle here. It says, "On my queen shit." Also have a book, guys. Still reading this. This is humiliating. I have been reading this book since like February. Tell me why in January I had COVID, read like 3 books in a week. The minute life starts again, this has taken me like 5 months to read. And I also have a galaxy light just to add to the aesthetic. I feel like there's 2 different aesthetics. There's like the clean eucalyptus spa moment with like a salt lamp, or there's like TikTok neon galaxy light. Should we get the salt lamp? I don't know. I feel like this looks better in photos. Also, this would be a perfect time for you to get like a little drink, some strawberries. I actually just had a protein shake, so I don't really need anything right now, but I might bring some water over. Okay, I changed my mind. I'm gonna open this. I actually just got this recently, so I'm like, you know what? It's kind of a perfect time to open it in this video. But as I lifted it up, that doesn't sound good. And since this is a rock, I'm scared that like, did it break? This is actually really cute to keep in the bathroom. I'll probably just leave it in there. Okay, moment of truth. Ooh, okay. Oh my God, look at this. It's like a little rolly thing and you can dim it. Oh my God, I love it. This was definitely the right decision.